Hello my friend, Caleb Wright here from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and in this video I'm going to teach you about the first commandment of crypto trading. When you get into crypto, from the start there will be many hackers scheming to steal your crypto holdings. Hence, the first commandment of crypto trading, thou shalt exercise best security practices. Because if you don't, it can be easy to lose your crypto investment by making one wrong move online. One of the most important security practices in crypto is to be in control of and secure your own private keys. Because whoever has the private keys has complete access to the associated crypto holdings. So there are a few ways you can do this. My first recommendation is to use a cold storage wallet to store your crypto holdings offline. I have used and recommend wallets such as Trezor, Ledger Nano S, or BitFi, which is actually my favorite one right now. If the crypto you need to store is not yet compatible with one of the recommended cold storage wallets, you can still secure your coins using the official desktop wallet made available by the coins developers, usually on the coins official website or GitHub entry. Always make sure to download crypto wallets only from the official sources, because this is another trick that hackers are using to steal crypto from newbies with fake wallets, websites, and ransomware. So beyond crypto wallets, you should also be using two-factor authentication level security on all your email accounts, exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, and any other crypto-related accounts that allow the option. Your email that is connected to your crypto exchange accounts will be the most important area to set up two-factor authentication, because hackers work really hard to hack into your email accounts, to get your personal information, and also to try to do things like reset the password to your crypto exchange accounts or social media accounts so they can gain access and cause havoc, like steal your crypto. And this is why using two-factor authentication on your crypto exchange account is also just as important, because it will stop them from doing these things. And of course, one last fundamental thing you can do is avoid phishing scams where hackers are trying to gain access to your account by tricking you into clicking a strange link. Do not click strange links on social media, even if you know the person sending it, because their account could have been compromised. And do not click strange links in emails either. If you get an email from your bank or Apple or any other company you do business with, always check the email of the sender and make sure it's the actual company and not just some strange email with a different extension. For example, when you get an email that is from Apple, the email address will be @apple.com. But when it's a hacker, it will always be different. So always click up into the email area of your email service and you'll be able to see the exact email that it's coming from. It's an important thing to do. And lastly, be careful with your web browsing and stay away from strange and scammy websites. If you're in doubt, just stay away. If you follow these pieces of advice, it will make you a difficult target for the hackers of the world. And when they figure that out, they will move on to the next target who may be easier to hack. So just don't be that guy. I hope you found today's training valuable, and I look forward to get back at you with the rest of the 10 commandments of crypto trading, because I want to see you win with the crypto markets. Caleb Wright here, signing off for Bitcoin Lifestyles Club. But one last thing. If you'd like to gain access to a comprehensive suite of training with a supportive community of cryptocurrency traders, you should take a serious look at what we're doing at Bitcoin Lifestyles Club. Just click the link below this video for more information and start accelerating on your path to crypto wealth today.